Hello friends, welcome to all in Sarma English classes. My dear, always I bring a positive quote for you to motivate you. You don't learn to walk by following rules, you learn by doing. You need to motivate me by liking, sharing and subscribing this channel so that I can bring the best videos for you. Today I am having ready-made dialogue which are used in communication to bring color and style. How do you do and how are you? What is the difference? How do you do can be spoken only if you're going to meet a person first time, that time you have only opportunity to use how do you do, but same person and second meeting, how are you? What's it all about? A person is very rich but person doesn't want to spend penny. Person is very miser. You are going to speak what's money all about. What do you need? After all, this can be spoken when your kid is very upset, kid is very sad, kid is not eating something. You are trying to convince him, you try to come to the reason but he's not telling. But when you got angry while appeasing him, you spoke one line, what do you need after all? The answer came back, all I need is a bike because my friend bought a bike yesterday. How about and what about? How about and what? These are used in planning. How about going for a movie? What about having a cup of tea? What should you know about? You can speak this when someone is saying something regarding your profession, regarding your expertise. So you are saying what? What should you know about spoken English? What should you know about poverty? What should you know about politics? What has it got to do with that? This can be made you understand by giving you one example. Let me give you one example. One day an old man was going by bicycle. He was having long mustaches. Meanwhile an old lady struck and both they fell down. When the lady got angry, she got up and she spoke one line, you are having long mustaches, why you did not apply the brake? The old man got surprised and he spoke, what has mustaches got to do with brake? It means what is the relation? I wonder. I wonder why people are not staying at their home during lockdown. I wonder why people are coming out unnecessary. What's wrong with you? This can be spoken in abnormal situation. Like a person always keeps happy himself, but today he is very sad. A person always keeps himself sad, but today is very happy, like this. So you can speak, what's wrong with you? When you are asking, when a person was very sad, you ask, what's wrong with you? The reply came, my friend got engaged. So you can speak like this. It's next to impossible. Sometimes we listen this word, it is impossible. Impossible can be spoken when the task is too difficult to perform. So we speak, speaking English, it's impossible task. Sometimes we speak, it's next to impossible. It means you cannot do this, you cannot perform this. It means how come it is possible? Like this you can speak it. Next, don't talk absurd. When somebody is speaking a wrong language, a rubbish language, you can speak, don't talk rubbish. You can take, don't talk illogical, don't talk irrelevant, don't talk meaningless, don't talk absurd. Like this you can speak it. How dare you? You have been using these type of ready-made dialogue. How dare you? If somebody is going to touch you without your permission, so you are going to use, how dare you touch me? How dare you enter in my house? Like this. A long time no see, this can be spoken after a long time. You are going to meet someone, so you are going to say to him, long time no see, where were you? I missed you. The answer came, sir, I was there, I was here. Wherever he was, or in whichever task he was busy or engaged, he would be saying to you. And he would be saying, I also missed you. Oh, he would be saying, so did I. Would you do me a favor? This can be spoken when you are saying to someone to do something for me. Like same I am saying to you. Would you do a favor for me in terms of liking, sharing and subscribing this channel? May I take my leaves? When you are going to take permission, when you are going to separate someone, you are going to say, may I take my leaves? May I now go? It does not make any difference. Sometimes people speak, it doesn't make any difference. He is providing information, he has been giving us through this channel, but we are not using. It doesn't make any difference, but I believe it makes a lot of difference. If you are going to use or you are going to only listen, there is lot of gap it has. Next, we have a wheel of time. It can be spoken after meeting or when you are going to separate. At the time, both persons are quite perfect in terms of separating. So you are speaking to him or her. Have a wheel of time. Your remaining time should be spent by you happily, so that you are going to wish him or her have a wheel of time. My dear friends, by these ready-made dialogues, I'm going to wind up my today's lecture. But again, I'm saying I'm going to bring in Hindi language all course who they want to learn in Hindi or English, in both languages. Please keep yourself in the touch with this channel. Every day you should find new thing. During this lockdown, if any problem is coming while uploading, or any pixel problem or any type of problem you are facing, voice problem, so I'm sorry for that. We would be removing it. Thank you very much.